My friends, have you heard the name of Mangal Dham in Kalimpong? Let's see the Mangal Dham in Kalimpong district in West Bengal of India.
At a distance of 1 kilometer from Kalimpong bus stand, Mangal Dham is a Hindu temple located in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. Mangal Dham is situated very near to Thangsa Gompa. Mangal Dham was built in 1993 by Sri Krishna Pranath in the divine memory of late Guruji Sri Mangal Das Maharaj. In 1940, Mangal Das Maharaj visited Kalimpong. He realized that this place would create profound impact in his mind. The impact was so deep that he decided to select this place for unfolding his cherished dreams. Dreams were so divine to serve the people by way of constructing schools, orphanages, and temples. He was sold to dedicate to the cause of innocent and needy. This temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna. The whole theme of Mangal Dham is knowledge, devotion, and service. The Samadhi of Guruji Mangal Das Maharaj lies in the ground floor, where prayer hall is on the first floor, where one can see the idol of Raj Samaji flanked on both sides by the Revered Pranadji and Mangal Das Maharaj. There are many paintings depicting various pictures from Krishna Leela on the wall of this temple. My friends, Mangal Dham stands as one of India's most spectacular temples, stretching over an expansive vast areas of land. Visitors are immersed in inspiring of devotion and divinity. Mangal Dham temple is a temple in middle of Kalimpong district, and although the way to Mangal Dham is very congested, we have visited as a part of group. There is someone in temple who insisted in telling us all about the pictures, which are pleasant and clean. The silence within the premises is something which we cannot ignore. We have walked across to various paths in Mangal Dham. We have felt full of positive and spiritual energy. There is Krishna garden, which is nicely landscaped, which is beautiful with colorful, fragrant flowers. My friends, you may visit Mangal Dham during your traveling in Kalimpong, where you will feel the true definition of silence and peaceful, healing environment. Along with Mangal Dham, you may visit Kalimpong Pine Garden, Kalimpong Deer Park, and Kalimpong Hanuman Temple.
My friends, Mangal Dham is one of the best spiritual places in West Bengal of India to me. My friends, thank you so much, and I invite all of you, if you make your time, please come to Mangal Dham in Kalimpong. I think you will experience well. My friends, thank you.